laughing like you don't care. Headlights skim your face like a frame from some old film there. Hands in your pockets saying I'm reading too deep again. But I catch every sign you try to tuck behind your grin. We trade the small talk, let the tension loose and slow. The world below keeps humming while we learn what we outgrow. I could walk away, let the night keep what it stole, but there's a pull in my chest that won't let go. Hold me like a secret that's nearly told. Pull the glass apart, let the rain unfold. But brittle as the skyline when the storm drops low. But I'll stay even if the world twists where we go. Hold me like the truth that's hard to find. Stay with me through the cold. Don't turn back the time. Don't turn back the time. You talk in half phrases, leave the rest for me to read. Say you're tired of the noise, tired of losing sleep. I say I'm tired, too tired of acting bold, of stitching every fracture like it's something I can't hold. We're two restless songs no one can pin the tune to. But when we spark, it's a rush that keeps me running back to you. I could take the safe road, close the door and lie alone. But I taste the rain on your lips and I come undone. Hold me like a secret that's nearly told. Pull the glass apart, let the rain unfold. We're brittle as the skyline when the storm drops low. But I'll stay even if the world twists where we go. Hold me like the truth that's hard to find. Stay with me through the cold. Don't turn back the time. You ask if this is reckless. Yeah, maybe it is. But I'd rather burn bright than lose us to what could have been. We'll break the rules of midnight, rewrite the lines we knew. Trade the safe for something real, trade the gray for something true. One more hour, one more reckless smile. Your laugh cuts the quiet and I lose my style. Everything grows heavier when we pretend it's light. So let the rain do the talking in the middle of the night.